Gwen, magandang gabi bayan. Nais ko lang bumati sa iyo ng maligayang kaarawan, no? Patuloy kang maging mabuting ehemplo sa kabataan at tuloy mo lang ang pagbe-bake ng masarap na cookies at God bless parate, more birthdays to come. We wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Gwen.
Hi, Gwenchana. Happy 22 birthday. I can't believe you're old, just like me. But that's okay, you know. Life is a blessing indeed. But speaking of blessing, I can see that you've been getting a lot of blessing lately. And look at BL. You guys have been going strong. And look at her planning all these shits. Clock it. But anyways, I just hope that you get more blessings in your life because you deserve it. And I just hope that you know that me and our friends love and supports you all throughout. And I just hope you remember that always, especially when you need it. And even though I'm far away right now, miles and miles, thousands of miles away, I just hope that you know that I can be with you. So just call me, okay? If you need help. But anyways, enjoy your birthday party. Do not get too drunk too much because I know you will. Biel, look out, okay? But I love you so much and I hope you enjoy this birthday party. Love you!
Happy birthday, Gwen. Short message lang. It's so funny to think na we knew each other dati pa since grade school, pero we weren't really that close back then. Like I always knew you were there, pero wala namang interaction noon. But thanks to Biel, I finally got the chance to know you better, and honestly, I'm really glad I did. I just wanna say thank you for taking care of me and Biel, and for cooking us always na mga pagkain pag nandun kami sa inyo, and sobrang na-appreciate ko yun, promise. You didn't really have to do it, but you still did. Then that means a lot to me. Ang bait mo talaga, and have such a soft caring vibe, and ang sarap mo kasama, pati yung luto. And even if we weren't that close before, I'm super thankful na nagkakilala tayo now, and you're one of those people na kahit hindi ko lagi kausap, you're just there whenever I have a rough time. Kayong alam mo yun, yung ang soft ng pasok mo, tapos parang you know, you just have a really good heart. Thank you ulit, Gwen. You seriously make things feel lighter and more fun just by being around. And I hope ganun din yung nabibigay kong vibe sa'yo. And sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Happy birthday, love you.
Biel, okay na ba to? Hindi na ako nagayos. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday sa'yo, Gwen. Enjoy your day. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki kang madasalin. Pangalawa, sana may takot ka sa Diyos. At pangatlo, sana hindi mo na daw awayin si Biel. Sinabi niya sa akin yun, sabihin ko. Enjoy your day, be. Love you.
Happy birthday, girl. Sana ma-fulfill mo yung dreams mo. Sana lang. Sana lang. Yun lang.
Hi Gwen, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay more blessings to come and may bubati ko sa'yo.
Hi Gwen, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ikaw na lang ako kompleto.
Hi Gwen, happy birthday. Thank you kasi lagi ka na dyan kay Ben. Ingat lagi.
Hi Gwen, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your very, very special day, and hope you know that I'm always here for you, and I will always support you with any of your dreams. And yeah, love you, and hope you enjoy your day.
Go!
Happy birthday, Ate Gwen. Stay safe at sana kayanin mo yung ugali ni Ate Gwen.
Happy birthday, Gwen. Know that super proud ako sa'yo to see how much you have grown for the past few years. At dahil ikaw ay lumaking mabait, napakasipag, napaka-sweet at sobrang talented at marami pang iba. I'm happy to see na happy ka at pinupursu mo yung passion mo. At dahil mabubuti rin yung mga nakapaligid na tao sa'yo. Lalo na yung nag-request ng video na ito. Thank you dahil lagi kang nandyan at ginagawa mo yung mga pabor ko sa'yo kahit marami at yung mga bonding natin. I'm looking forward sa magagawa mo pa sa future at nandito lang din ako kapag kailangan mo ng kausap. At sana marami pa tayong bonding kasama yung buong pamilya natin. I love you and happy birthday ulit, Gwen.
Hey Gwen, it's your birthday today. I wish you a very happy birthday from all of us.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Red. More birthdays to come. Hulaan mo na lang kung sino to dahil sobrang dilim at tinatamad na ako magbukas ng ilaw na parang rapper ako. And, yun nga, sana happy ka pa rin kahit may mga unexpected na bagay na nangyayari sa life mo. And, good luck sa baking Kineme Roots. Sana maging long-term career mo siya dahil yan ang gusto mo, Divinch. Support ka namin lahat and nandito lang kami always for you. Love you much. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Gwen!
Hi, love. Happy birthday. Napapanood mo na to ngayon kasi tapos na yung event na pinaghirapan ko. So, ayun. Hindi man complete yung mga friends mo, pero at least, di ba, may mga pumunta at may sumakay sa trip ko. Sana naging happy ka ngayon and I wish you all the best. Super happy ako kasi nakasama kita sa mismong araw mo. Hindi ko man matutumbasan yung surprise mo sa akin ng birthday ko, pero wait mo lang, unti-unti ko yung mababawi sa'yo. Sobrang thank you kasi hindi mo ko iniwan. Sa lahat ng mga nangyari sa akin, never mo ko iniwan. May mga away man tayong sobrang hirap, parehas tayong nagkakainitan na tayo, hirap na tayo paano solusyonan, pero at the end of the day, pipiliin pa rin natin yung isa't isa. At sobrang happy ako doon kasi hindi mo ko sinusukuan. I love you so much, my love. Happy birthday. And more birthdays to come with you, with me, and with Kuma and Maku. I love you so much. Sana happy ka ngayon. Ang dami mang nangyari sa'yo netong mga nakaraang araw. Alam kong masaya si tito mo para sa'yo. May magga-guide na sa'yo, may magbabantay na sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan, mahal ka naming lahat. Hindi ka namin iiwan sa lahat ng mga mangyayari sa'yo, mangyayari pa. Nasa tabi mo lang kami, tutulong at magga-guide sa'yo. Kapag kailangan mo ng tulong, nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Nirurut kita, promise. I love you. Bye-bye.